there's one very important thing you have to understand, which is that there's actually two versions of WordPress. When I type in WordPress here in Google, there's WordPress.com, and then further down, there's WordPress.org. So what is the difference and which one should we use to build our website on? Well, when I go to WordPress.org right here, this is actually where you can download the free open source software WordPress that we want to use to build our website. We can just scroll down, click on Discover WordPress, then click on Get WordPress, and then right here we can download the latest version of WordPress, install it on a server, and then create our website. So what is WordPress.com? WordPress.com is basically a paid service offering hosting for WordPress websites. So when we go to plans and pricing, we can see that they have different hosting plans. And I've tested these plans, and one thing that I've noticed is that in order for you to get access to the full WordPress ecosystem, meaning all of the plugins or themes you might want to use, you're going to have to upgrade to at least the business plan, which is $25 per month if you pay annually, or $40 per month if you pay monthly. And here's the problem with WordPress.com. There are much more affordable options for hosting your WordPress website without any limits when it comes to access to themes and plugins. A mistake many beginners make is that they just go to Google, type in WordPress, go with the first option and get hosting through WordPress.com, and then are frustrated when they realize how much they have to pay just to get access to all of the themes and plugins they might want to use.